Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get money off Binance. First, log into your Binance account and navigate to the wallet section. Select fiat and spot to view your balances. Choose the cryptocurrency or fiat currency you wish to withdraw. Ensure your account is fully verified to access all withdrawal options and higher limits. This initial step is crucial for a smooth transaction. Next, decide on your preferred withdrawal method. For fiat currency, you can typically use bank transfers, which might involve a small fee, often around $1. For cryptocurrency, you'll need the recipient's wallet address. Always double-check this address carefully, as incorrect entries can lead to irreversible loss of funds. Consider the network fees associated with crypto transfers. Now, enter the exact amount you wish to withdraw. If you're withdrawing fiat, input your bank account details, including your bank name and account number. For crypto, paste the recipient's wallet address and select the correct network. Take a moment to thoroughly review all the information. A small error can cause significant issues, so accuracy is key here. Finally, you'll need to complete the two-factor authentication process for security. This usually involves a code from your Authenticator app or an SMS. After this, confirm the withdrawal via an email link sent to your registered address. Binance will then process your request. You can track the status of your withdrawal in your transaction history, typically found in your wallet overview.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.